in this case, though, I'm saying it depends on what you're budgeting, but I'm budgeting profit.
Okay.
If you're exceeding your profit target, then you're doing better. If you're thinking expenses, which might be what you're thinking about, then that would be bad. But in terms of profit, exceeding is good. I don't know that I have. And was I supposed to do that? Oh, I did not. Thank you. Isn't it wonderful having this? Gesundheit. A budget is a plan for the future expressed in numbers. A plan for the future expressed in numbers. A plan for the future expressed in numbers. And those numbers are both financial and non-financial, dollars and not dollars. Okay? A plan for the future expressed in numbers. A plan for the future expressed in numbers. Okay, very good. Thank you. Thank you. I missed it. It's down here on the first page. I missed it. I got so excited about this that I wanted to start talking about that, and I'm keeping people like Matt really excited. Sorry. Yes, I'm talking about you. But clearly, I still need my cards. Yes, sir?
Oh, no, I'm just...
Okay. He almost looks like he wants to raise his hand, doesn't he? Just scratching your head? Okay. Boy, I mean, you all ought to get to see what I see, every once in a while, just, 35 people. And Ekta's cold. Are you cold, Ekta? No? I don't care. You all yawn, stretch. Okay, what do I need to do next? The order in which to prepare budgets, and we've got 5 minutes to do this. Sales forecast is number 1. Sales forecast. So who here is a marketing major? The budget starts with you. And you thought this is the last accounting you're ever going to do in your life. So sales forecast number 2, operating budgets. Operating budgets. These are the T accounts down the left side. Direct materials, direct labor, manufacturing overhead. And selling and administrative expenses. Okay, so operating budgets, direct materials, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, and selling and administrative expenses.
What now?
Operating budgets, direct materials, direct labor, manufacturing overhead, selling and administrative expenses. Okay. Number 3, capital expenditures budget. Capital expenditures budget. Capital expenditures budget. What is a capital expenditure? Anybody? Joe? No? JJ? Mm-mm. Mr. Michael? Mm-mm. Anybody? Sir?
Is it like major expenses?
Like major expenses, buildings, equipment, stuff that's going to be depreciated is a capital expenditure. Capital expenditures budget, which is big purchases, big purchases. And then number 4, the last thing done, the last thing prepared are pro forma financial statements. P-R-O, dash forma, F-O-R-M-A, pro forma financial statements. Pro forma financial statements. Pro forma is Latin, and it means as if. Pro forma is Latin, it means as if. And so we're going to prepare the financial statements as if all the other stuff's true. All these prior budgets are true. So as if everything else is true, we'll prepare the financial statements. So Nicole, can you name one financial statement? That's one of them, if you just kind of sit. Huh? No, just the financial statement. There's 4 financial statements in the world. Can you name one of them? Statement of retained earnings is number 1, and she named the hardest one for some reason. She picked off the hardest one. Sarah, another? Balance sheet. JJ? Statement of cash flows, Rebecca.
Income?
Already been taken, I do believe.
I'm sorry, I kind
You faced the zone.
what's been said already? Retained earnings?
Retained earnings, cash flows, income.
Balance sheet?
Balance sheet, okay? So those are the 4 financial statements. The 3 most important ones for purposes of budgeting are going to be the income statement, the balance sheet, and the statement of cash flows. Those ones are going to be budgeted, okay? And so the master budget is just all of the above in one big document, okay? So the master budget, which is defined down below, the master budget is just a big document that has all those budgets in it, okay? So big document that has all of those budgets in it. And so if I went fast, you can look at last semester's videotapes. They might have gone slower, or you can, in a couple of days, this one will be up and you can watch this one again and make sure you get everything, because it's not going to be very long because we chopped out all the in-class stuff. Thank you very much, and we will see you